Assalamu alaikum, doctor. Our project topic is push down of automata. In our project group, we are two members. I am Bayas Ahmed Shoharto and my another teammate name is Faisal Rahman. We are from section 6. In this project presentation, we would like to present more about push down automata. So, what is push down automata? A push-down automata is a way to implement a context-free diagram in a similar way we design finite automata for regular grammar. It is more powerful than finite automata. We know that finite state machine has very limited amount of memory. While designing finite state machine, things was certain grammar or certain language that could not be designed by finite state machine due to their limited memory. So push-down automata is more powerful than finite state machine. So finite automata has a very limited memory, but push-down automata has more memory. After that, push-down automata is equal to finite state machine plus a state. The difference between finite state machine and push-down automata is that push-down automata is consist of something like a finite state machine, and the extra thing that we have in a push-down automata is a stack. This stack has an infinite memory, and this is the thing that facilitates the higher power of push-down automata. After that, we have stack. So, what is stack? A stack is a way we arrange element on a top of another. A stack does two basic operations. One is push and another one is pop. So, what is push? A new element is added at the top of the stack. That is push. After that, the top element of the stack is read and removed. That is pop. Rest of the presentation slide will be described by my another team member Faisal Rahman.
We know stack does two basic operations. One is push and one is pop. So what is a push and what is a pop operation? So the push operation is if a push operation happens, then a new element will add in the top of the stack. So this is our stack and A and B are the elements. So let's think that a new push operation will happen here, and it is C and it will go over B, I mean the top. And if there is another push operation happens, then it will go over C. So here is the D and it goes the top. Now let's talk about what is pop operation. The pop operation is the top element of the stack will read and it will remove. So here we can see the top element is D and after is C, then B, then A. So if one pop operation happens, what will happen? The top element will read and it will be deleted or removed. So here the D is the top, so it read and removed. So now our stack is A, B and C, and if another pop operation happens, then C will be removed. So a push down automata has three components. One is an input tag, a finite control unit, and a stack with infinite size. If we look at this diagram, there is an input tag and a finite control, and after this a stack, and here the push and pop operations will be held. So in this input tag there will be some input and it will come to the finite control system, and if there is any push and pop operation, that it will be in the stack, and after these operations the finite control will decide if the string accepts or rejects. So this is an overall view of push down automata and how it works. Thank you.